Processing payments in a foreign currency is straightforward in Curi Point of Sale. Here's how to do it. Go to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on the Settings tab in the menu section. Scroll down to the Currency tab. Click on the Currency tab to see all the currencies currently in the system and where you can add new ones. At the top of the screen, there are settings for rounding off the foreign currency to the nearest dollar, changing the displaying currency during a transaction, and showing the total sum in the foreign currency. Fill in the details for the currency you would like to add at the bottom of these settings. Once you've entered the details, click on the Add button at the bottom of the currency details. To show the grand total in the currency you'd like to use, click on the Grand Total tab beneath the Currency Multiplier details. After entering the desired currency settings, click the arrow to save and exit. Enter the items as you would for a regular transaction. Click the Pay button once the items are in the queue. Select the payment method. Next to the sum, click the arrow to access a drop-down menu of the foreign currencies you entered in the settings. Select the desired foreign currency to display the total in that currency, along with the change. Process the transaction as usual. And that's it! You've successfully processed a foreign currency payment in Curi Point of Sale. For more information on your Curi Point of Sale experience, visit our website at curi.lc or stay tuned for more instructional videos.